In this video, I will show you how to track clicks on your website. So when a user clicks on a specific CTA button or clicks on a phone number or email on your website. So for that, we'll need to use Google Tag Manager. And first off, please make sure that you've added Google Tag Manager code on your website so you can find it here when you click on the Google Tag Manager ID or when you go to admin and then click on install Google Tag Manager. You have instructions where the code needs to be put. When we go back to our workspace, first thing we need to do is create a click listener trigger. So a trigger that will be listening for clicks that are happening in the preview mode in Google Tag Manager. So listener and save. Next thing we need to do is go to variables and enable all of the click variables. So I've enabled them, but in case you just start working on this, they'll probably look like this and all be disabled. So what you need to do is enable them so we can use these variables for creating our future triggers. Okay, next step will be to click on the preview mode, open up the website, and check in Google Tag Assistant and make sure everything is working. So we see the data in the summary section on the left. So Tag Manager is installed correctly on the website. So let's click on a Contact Us button, for example. We go back and we see this click here, so number 7, and we can see the variables. So click text is Contact Us, click URL is Big Digital RS Contact, yeah, and you can see the element, but in this case, we would only be able to track either Contact Us text or this section here inside the click URL, which would actually be the way that I would do it. So in case you make any changes on your website in the future and put in different font in here or do smaller letters or do anything else with the website, we'll still be able to track those clicks. Now, most important clicks that we want to track would be clicks on the phone number and clicks on the email link. So let's set up tracking for click on the email link. Let me just close the pop-up window that just appeared. So yeah, here is the link click. And you can see the click text is our office email. And then we have the click URL. This part here is going to be static. However many emails you have, if you decide to change your email in the future to something else, this section here will always be the same. So that's what we'll be using for our trigger setup. So we go to Google Tag Manager, go to triggers, click new. Let's create a new trigger with just links, because you'll see this is a link click, not an ordinary click. We can use that one as well because it's the same, but in my case, for best practices, I prefer using a link click. So let's do just links. Select click URL, mail to, let's give it a name, click email, and then save. Next thing is to create a tag. Go new, click on the Google Analytics. So you can go to your Google Analytics account, click in admin, data stream, and then copy your measurement ID and paste it here. Or you can click on this plus to the next to it. So click on plus here and create a constant with that same measurement ID in case you plan to use it again in the future. Give the event a name, click email. I like using the underscore between the words, so yeah. Select the trigger, give it a name, and set. Next thing we want to do is test our tag. Click on the preview. Let the website open one more time. Scroll all the way down and let's click on the email link. Close the pop-up. And here we can see that GA4 tag fired correctly. When we go to analytics, let's see data display and let's do debug view. And here we see that click email event has fired. Yeah, that's it. Once this is done, you need to click submit and publish it. Before publishing, none of the changes will go live. So before email tracking. That's it. Hope you found this useful and have a great day. Bye bye.